Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways. The first one, the secret code. So let's enter the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, we are provided with the IMEI number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way. So with the usage of the settings, we have to open them. Then let's go to this All section and scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down and tap on the status. And as you can see right here, we've got the IMEI number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.